Hi everyone, welcome to Techies Hobbies. So this is yet another watch unboxing video wherein I am going to again unbox another vintage watch. So why vintage watches? Because in India, especially here, I do find a lot of nice vintage watches on offer, and that too for a bargain. So one of this brand which I am going to unbox is Ricoh. Ricoh is a Japanese company, and it is mainly into printers and other electronic items. But from the year 1960 to 1970, they were making watches, and they were pretty. There are pretty nice watches which are made by Ricoh, and one of the famous watches is the Ricoh President, which is very similar in design to the Rolex President, and it is quite famous among the collectors. Hopefully I'll be able to get one soon in my hand, but this Ricoh is a little different, and let's see what is inside. So let's flip the camera and go ahead with the unboxing.
So as you can see, the watch is very well packed with fragile sticker, and it's also bubble wrapped. Thanks to Vintage Watch Company for hooking me up with a watch box this time. I know that Vintage Watches doesn't come with watch boxes, so but this is a nice touch. So it feels like a brand new watch here, and you can see that the watch is in pretty good condition as well. Talking about the design and the style of the case, you can see that this watch case has a peculiar shape, like an oval or an egg-shaped design that would fit even smaller wrists. I would like to thank Vintage Watch Company for sending the watch in this nice cushion and watch box. Let's see how this watch feels on the wrist. And looking at the strap, it's a crocodile style leather strap, and you can see how it fits my wrist well. I have a 6.5 inch wrist, and it doesn't at all feel big. In fact, it feels a little small, although it's around 40 mm, which is because of the egg-shaped or oval design.
That's what makes it special, and it's got a nice looking strap that comes with it as well. So first let's take it off and see the measurements. So to measure, I have a scale with me right now, so looks like it's 18 mm strap, yeah, and so this, okay, I can measure that right. This looks like 40 mm dial in this way, but okay, this from this dimension is pretty small, like, so that's what I'm saying. This is a very interesting dial design, and you can see that the Ricoh sign here, and this is the dial is kind of like a red or brownish red wine, or like dark red wine or brown color dial, and it has a day and date window, which is nice. And what else is written there? It's written waterproof and 21 jewels. So this is an automatic, I believe. So it says Japan, which is right, 061248. Okay, stainless steel, water protection, and that's about it. So this peculiar strap, I might change it because it's a little slim for me, especially in the 18 mm. So let's see if because when I wear it on my wrist, it looks fine in the camera, but although to me, like, it looks a bit small, like especially from this side. So that's what makes me wonder. Maybe I'll change the strap to a Bund strap, maybe. So might look a little bigger. So thanks again, Sanjeev, for this wonderful, or you just look at the dial. It's in awesome condition. It doesn't actually look like a vintage watch because of how it's maintained, and I think it's polished before coming out to me. So, and I don't have to actually do any kind of service to this watch, right? And it's a genuine leather 18 strap, and even the buckle is nice. Like the usual watch buckles are like very slim, so this is an aftermarket, but it still looks pretty nice. So guys, I managed to find a Bund back for this. I don't know if this is not the exact color, but it does look. Even the contrast does look nice. What do you guys think? And let me show that on the wrist how it looks. So I think it looks pretty nice. It was this back was oversized for another watch, but for this, I think it's perfect. So here's the wrist roll. So it's a little thin strap, but the Bund makes up for it. Do let me know your opinion on my unboxing video this time, wherein you can see it, I think, a little closer, but it's a little difficult for me to operate, but that's fine. So do let me know your feedback in comments, and please share and subscribe to this video. Thank you.